Planning your fall garden doesn't have to be overwhelming when you have a garden to plate journal or one that really works for you. Mine makes it very easy and simple because you can lay everything out and figure out what dates that are important for you, such as the frost date, -5 days to get a little bit of a cushion. That way if it's inaccurate because it's an estimated date. Now let's see, I'm trying to do cabbage. Let's go here. That is my actual frost date, -5 days. Then I have my cushion date of the 12th. The 12th minus 8 weeks is going to give me my transplant date when I need to put them in the ground. August 17th minus 8 weeks is going to be my sow date when I need to start indoors. All of the information you need for a lot of the things are right on the back of your seed packet. Now we need to write all of this down in a log because you're going to definitely grow more things than just cabbage for your fall garden. Having all of your dates in one place is very convenient and helps you stay on task. And then you can be really cool and enter all that stuff in your phone or just write it on a calendar. That way you can stay on top of it. You do you. But it is nice to have it all in one space. The journal I am using is available for purchase as an instant download and goes through a PayPal. I will list in the description the direct link in order to purchase the printable PDF. It's a great value because you just keep using it as you need with the copies.